Okay. Alright, and if I remember correctly, this is the final boss. Okay. Right, this is just like a slightly modified version of the first boss. That's cool, I guess. Oh, and I've got no health. Okay. Whatever, it really doesn't matter. Because I've got the code. Are you kidding me? So that was the final boss. And now our reward, and now we're done. God. Why? Oh, are you kidding me? Add a marker. Now that General Head Slot is gone, everyone can resume their normal, funky way of life. I win. But all seems well, but somewhere on a distant moon, a bright light flashes then disappears, and a shadowy figure slips quietly into darkness. Enough of the story, now it's time to heap well-deserved praise on you, the player who actually conquered this game. Oh, I'm really glad it's over. You are the 1 in 100 players who would beat General Head Slot. Your extraordinary skills and lightning-fast reflexes help you make it, but did you miss something? I'm pretty sure I missed something. Try playing through no, I am not playing through this again. Ever. Good job and thanks for playing. You rule. It's over. I'm so glad it's over.